everyone. I am Sheikh Mohammed Shafi, advocate and psychologist. Today, in this video, I'll be explaining about Muslim divorce procedures. It's a legal awareness video for India, and this video is only for legal awareness and education purpose, not an legal advice. Okay, so this video is not against any religion or any sects. Okay, it is only to help people understand the law and different types of divorces options available for both husband and wife. So this video is sponsoring by Vakil 360, vakil360.in. So let's get started. So here, talaq by husband. Talaq by husband have three different options available under Muslim personal law. So there are certain forms of talaq which can be given by husband. So I have listed three here, which are Talaq-e-Ahsan, Talaq-e-Hasan, Talaq-ul-Biddat. Let's understand each one clearly. So what is Talaq-e-Hasan? Talaq-e-Hasan is considered the most proper and correct form of talaq. Okay. In this method, the husband gives only one pronouncement of talaq. Okay, and after that the wife observes the iddat period, which is usually a three menstrual cycles, right? And what is the legal position of this Talaq-e-Ahsan in India? So valid under Muslim personal law, and as per the Indian law, Talaq-e-Ahsan is valid under Muslim personal law, and the Indian courts also recognize these form of talaq, and most importantly, this talaq is revocable during the iddat period, meaning reconciliation is possible in this type of talaq. Divorce become final only after the iddat period is completed, right? So this is one of the most balanced form of divorce, because it gives time for reflection and reconciliation. And the next one is Talaq-e-Hasan. Talaq-e-Hasan, let's understand this. So in this method, the husband gives three pronouncement of talaq, one each in tuhur, meaning the clean period. Okay, so there should not be any no physical relations, no intimacy between uh, pronouncements between husband and wife. And what is the legal position of this talaq in India? Talaq-e-Hasan is valid in India only if the procedure is strictly followed. Okay, divorce become final only after the third pronouncement. If the proper procedure is not followed, courts may question its validity. So this method is meant to prevent hasty and emotional divorce decisions. So, and the last one is Talaq-ul-Biddat, instant triple talaq. Okay, saying talaq three times at once, whether it may be uh, oral speech type method, or message, or WhatsApp, or any other electronic forms. Okay, so this type of talaq is invalid, and it's in India, and it was declared unconstitutional in famous landmark judgment in the case of Shaira Bano case in 2017. We have also seen one movie filmed based on this case. Later in 2019, a law was passed making instant triple talaq a criminal offense. So, instant triple talaq has no legal validity in India. Diverse rights of wife. Muslim law and Indian courts also recognize diverse rights of wife. These include Khula, Talaq-e-Tafweez, and Faskh, which is judicial divorce. We have three uh, types which we will discuss in next slide. So, what is Khula? Okay, wife initiates divorce, requires husband consent, usually involves return of meher. Khula is a form of divorce where the wife initiates the divorce. It requires the consent of the husband. In many cases, the wife may return the mahar depending upon the facts and circumstances available. And what is the legal position of this khula? It is a valid under Muslim law, okay, and it is also recognized by all Indian courts. However, the husband's consent is essential in this type of divorce. Okay, so khula is not a forcible divorce; it is a mutual understanding between husband and wife, where the wife seeks separation. And next is tafweez. So talaq-e-tafweez means delegation of the right to talaq to the wife. Okay, it's a delegation. We need to understand that this delegation is usually given through the nikanama or a marriage agreement, which we seen at the time of nikah. If conditions mentioned in the agreement are satisfied, the wife can exercise this right. Okay, and what is the legal position? This is fully valid and exercisable only if the conditions met. And the next one is Faskh, judicial divorce. Faskh means a divorce through court. Okay, and filed by wife. The wife can file a case before the court seeking dissolution of the marriage. This is governed by Dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act 1939, and the divorce is granted only by the court degree only. So, when marital life becomes unjust or harmful, the court can dissolve the marriage. And special forms of divorce. So, there are also certain concepts in Muslim law, okay, such as Ila and Zihar. These are often misunderstood. So, clarity is very important here. Now, we will discuss what is Ila. Okay, Ila occurs when husband takes a vow not to have marital relations with his wife. Divorce does not happen automatically after 4 months. After 4 months, the wife gets the right to approach the court for a legal remedy. Okay, so it is not automatic divorce. Okay, and what is zihar? Zihar happens when a husband compares his wife to a prohibited relation, like such as mother or sister. Marriage is not dissolved, but marital relations are prohibited until expiation is performed. If the issue is not resolved, the wife can seek legal remedy. And the next one is judicial divorce. So, divorce under Indian law, a wife can seek judicial divorce on several grounds. This includes dissociation for 2 years or more, and the next one is cruelty, whether it may be a physical cruelty or mental harassment or kind of cruelty, and impotence. Then comes husband missing for 4 years or more, then husband sentenced to imprisonment more than 7 years, and or the last one is failure of marital obligations. So concluding this, uh, the law protects women from injustice by allowing court based divorce. So this presentation is only for legal awareness. It is not a legal advice. Okay. Law may vary based on facts and circumstances for each case. Each case has a different scenario and different type of nature. For personal legal issues, please consult a qualified advocate nearby you. So this video is sponsored by Vakil 360, vakil360.in. Thank you.